cool. You can stretch it out of shape, and then within a minute, it will pop back into its original form. You can see it's already starting to move back. And it does seem to kind of go on forever, but really it's just about a minute and it's a cube again. It's really neat. I don't know why, but I'm just kind of fascinated by this. Maybe Hank Green knows how it can do it. I just think it's fascinating the way it kind of remembers the shape it was in.